If you work in the world of IT and ever take screenshots, then you need this software. This is Tech Simplicity, and stick around because you don't want to miss this. What's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite softwares that I use every single day in my professional life. And to be honest, I don't think that I could live without. So I rely on one program that really changes the game in terms of screenshots, and that program is called LightShot. You can download LightShot by visiting this site and choosing your appropriate operating system, and after you have the file, just install it. Then it's as easy as clicking the print screen button and highlighting what you want to screenshot. On top of this, you can box things in live on the screen and even add text to help make the screenshot more descriptive. Further, one of my favorite features is the arrow function, which you can draw in live on the screen as well. All of that said, once you have the screenshot that you need, you can either copy it with the Control-C button on your keyboard and then paste it into a chat such as Microsoft Teams or Slack, or you can save the screenshot to any folder that you desire for later use. Anyway, just an extremely lightweight tool that changes the game in terms of how you can quickly use a picture to help others interpret information. Because like the old saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Anyway, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe for future content, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time.